How to check Facebook video views. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Here, scroll down and navigate to the post from where you want to view the video views, or you can also simply tap on the Reels option and then go to the video views you are looking forward to see. And here, as you can see, the views are available right here. You can also scroll through and exactly navigate to the post whose video views you are looking forward to see, and you will see the option for See Insights and Ads. Tap on that and then scroll down to the Views or Reach tab you see there, and you will be able to view the views of that particular video. So this is how you can view Facebook video views. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.